Welcome to this SolidWorks tutorial, guys. In this tutorial we will be designing this water tank in SolidWorks. So let's begin. Click on part and then click OK as we are working in the part file. From here you can change the background to plain white. Then click on front plane and click on sketch. Before proceeding, make sure that you are working in correct units. I am working in millimeters, that is mmgs. Now select this circle and make a circle at this origin. Now let's specify the diameter for this circle, which is 375 millimeters. Then go to features, select extruded boss base, and here specify the length of extrusion, which is 375 as well. Now click OK. Before proceeding any further, let's apply some appearance for better visualization. By the way, this is an optional step. After specifying some appearance, now let's select fillet and apply fillet on this edge, and here specify the radius as 20 millimeter and click OK. And now select this top plane, which basically cut this part in half, and here select sketch. Now from here select spline tool and here make a spline like this. This is an approximated sketch. You can either specify the dimensions, but I'm not going to specify. You can very carefully see it and make it like this. Now go to features and here first exit the sketch from here, go to curves and select projected curve. In this window we need to select this sketch, which is basically the spline, and then select this face or surface and click OK. When you click on this window like this projected curve on the surface will get appeared. Now select the top plane again and click on sketch and make here a circle. Make here a circle like this, and here specify its diameter, which is 50 millimeter. Now press escape button, hold control key from your keyboard and select this line and the center of the circle and make relation coincident. Now exit the sketch and go to features and select swept cut command, this one. And in this window we need to select this circle, and in this next window we need to select this spline, and it will cut like this. You can check the box from here, and we need to mirror this thing. Before that, let me hide this spline. Now select air mirror. In this window we need to select the top plane, which basically cut this part in half like this, and in this features to mirror window we need to select this cut that we have just created, and as you can see this yellow color cut will get appeared. So that's how we can mirror the same cut. As we want this same cut on upper side, so I am selecting here linear pattern. In this features and faces I am selecting these two cuts, and here in direction just specify the front plane. And now we need to specify the distance, so I'm specifying as 120 millimeter. This can be adjustable. Since I want it upward, so I'm selecting this upward direction from here and check this box. This cut is now linear patterned, and now we have two cuts. Before moving any further, let's create some fillets. These are basically 4 edges, and apply a 20 mm fillet. Second edge, this one is third, and the last one. 20 mm fillet is fine for these, and after that check this box. Fillet has been applied, as you can see, and now select this face and in reference geometry click on plane. We need to create a plane which is 60 millimeter offset from this top surface, and check this box from here. Now select this plane and click on sketch. Here we will create a circle, so select circle and create a circle at this origin like this. Now here specify the diameter for this circle. which is 150 millimeter. Simply exit the sketch from here and go to features, and here select lofted boss base. In this profile window we need to select this edge, circular edge, this is appeared here, and this circle that we have just created. So basically we wanted to create this profile by using the lofted boss base. As we have nothing to do with this plane anymore, so hide it from here. Now we will shell it, so select shell and here select this face and here specify 5 millimeter. 5 millimeter will be the thickness for this water tank, and here you can see now it has become hollow. Now select this top face and click on sketch. We will create a sketch here. We want to select this outer circle and convert entities. A circle will get created. Now here I want to make a reference line. It should be straight, but let's create inclined. Now click on this line and make relation vertical, and here you can see a vertical line is created. Now select a line and from this circle to the other make a line. Okay, there is an error, so select line again, and here any point in space to this upper circle make an inclined line. Now hold Control key from your keyboard, select the circle and edge of the line and make relation coincident. And now let's specify the angle between these two lines as 150 degree, and as we want the same line on the other side, so select mirror entities. In this window select this line, and mirror about window select this reference line, and as you can see this is mirrored. So this is basically the purpose of making that reference line. Now select this outer circle and click convert entities. Now select trim and select these two circles. Basically I want this arc and this arc and these two inclined lines. Now I want 4 set of these, so I am selecting here circular pattern. In this parameter window simply select this midpoint, or you can select this circle as well. The midpoint will automatically get selected, and here select 4 because we want 4 of these entities, so select all of these 4 entities, 3, 4, and it will get pattern. Check this box from here, and here you can see 4 sketches will get appeared. Now select this internal circle and convert entities. Okay, now this is ready for extruded boss, so select here extruded boss. We want downward direction, so select here downward direction, and after that here select up to next. Okay, and in this selected contours, in this window select one by one these 4 sketches, 1, 2, 3 and 4, and simply check the box. And after that we need to make few fillets, so select your fillet tool and here specify 30, and now we need to select all of these corners. Rather than selecting all of these corners, just select this first option and all of these corners will automatically get selected. Since the radius of the fillet is too large, so here specify 20 mm as radius and check this box from here. Now we need to create fillets on internal edges, so select the fillet tool again and select these internal edges. Rather than selecting all of these edges, we will do the same thing. We will select this very first option and automatically all of these internal edges will get selected, and then check this box from here. 20 mm fillet has been applied, and now you can change the appearance, so I am selecting this one. So that's how we create water tank in SolidWorks. If you find this video helpful, then please subscribe to my channel. Thanks for watching.